Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your Xfinity mobile account is active and you're signed into your Xfinity ID. Once done, have your device and passcode handy and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular. Open the phone app and press and hold 1 or dial *86. That launches voicemail setup. You'll hear prompts. Listen briefly to identify whether you need to create a PIN or record a greeting. Don't skip the PIN step. It secures your messages. Next, you'll set the PIN and greeting. When prompted, enter a 4 to 7-digit passcode. Choose something memorable but not obvious. Confirm it when asked, then select the option to record your greeting. Speak clearly, state your name and a brief instruction so callers know they reached the right person. After recording, save and review it. Then navigate voicemail settings to choose playback preferences and notification behavior. These control how and when you are alerted to new messages. To finish, test voicemail by calling your number from a different phone and leaving a test message. Once done, check retrieval. Access voicemail using one or the phone app and confirm you can hear the test message. If nothing appears, restart your phone and verify that call forwarding to voicemail is enabled on your line. This sometimes resets with network changes. If problems continue, open the Xfinity app to reset voicemail or contact Xfinity support. They can push a network update to restore voice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.